Hello, kumusta po kayong lahat? Good evening, good afternoon. Konnichiwa, konbawa. Now, for the meantime, maybe for a while, you cannot see me in song or here in live because something my doctor is talking to me, needed me to rest. So, for a while, maybe 2 weeks, 1 week, I needed me to rest in hospital. So maybe in home, I'm going to work. So doctor decided to rest in hospital for a while. So sorry for this news. So maybe I'm going to find saying to me this one. So for the meantime, I hear some little sound. So maybe I sang already for some weeks. Thanks. Maybe I'm too much smirky, so I'm sorry. I didn't talk about this. Maybe sorry. Thanks for everything. I'm praying that I'm back. I will tell you thanks for my viewers, and also I can maybe upload for a while if I cannot sing a live or something. I have a video I can upload to my followers to see or helping me relax. Thanks, and here's for strong winds. Thanks, and see you. I go out to Alberta, where there's cooler in the fall. I got some friends that I could go working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But the bills rude is 100 times or more. For strong winds that blow me, the dry night. If I get her before the snow flies, and it thinks I live. If I search out the fear, but I can it would be winter, not too much for you to do. And the sweet sugar can blow cold. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run, that no trees could what me. The good times are all gone, sent back from me. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. And I look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I look for you if I'm ever back this way. Thank you.